Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today I just finished getting my peony row set up for planting, and I'm getting ready to plant my peonies. This will be the first flower going in for my cut flowers because I haven't quite mapped out where I want to put my seeds yet for the rest of the cut flowers, so that's something that I'm working on. But I do have the roots for the peonies, so I'm going to go and get those planted today. All right, so I got two pink peonies and two white peonies. So we're going to go ahead and plant those over in the row that I just finished. And then I should have some pretty peonies for my bouquets. Maybe not this year, but next year for sure I should have a lot of peonies for bouquets. So let me take you over, let me show you what I did and where these are going, and then we will get them planted. Okay, so here are my cut flower rows. I'm going to be putting zinnias, cosmos, dahlias, sunflowers, and something else here. And then I just finished putting this bed in, and then this is going to be wood chipped as well. I did have my old quail hutch here. The new one is in there. So I'm just going to make this the peony bed, and that will provide some shade for my chickens and just another way for me to have some cut flowers. So I'm going to do the two pink ones on the ends and then the two white ones, and then I have another peony growing way over there, but it's coming up between my garden wall, and so I need to remove it, and I'm going to plant it right in the middle because I forget what color it is, and I'm pretty sure it's pink. But so that is what I'm going to be doing today. So here are the instructions for planting. They need full sun to partial shade. So this spot here gets full sun, so that'll be perfect. Spacing is 24 to 48 inches apart, which again, there's going to be plenty of space here for them. And then depth, they need to go 1 to 2 inches. And that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the roots out of the bags and just get them planted in the row here. And then we're going to water them in really good, and we should have some pretty peonies. So all of the new peonies are planted. Now we just need to dig up the old one and get it transferred over. All right, so here is the peony that I need to dig up. As you can see, it is coming up through the garden wall. I thought they had died off, and so I put this garden in here. But I guess this one decided it was still alive and came up through the wallpaver. So
Actually, there are two here. See?
It might be the same root. But anyway, I need to move these over, dig this out, put these back, and then put it over with the other peonies. So let's get to it. right, so that finishes our peony bed. It's pretty much a really easy project, but I'm excited to have the first flowers in the ground for my cut flower garden. And these are perennials, so they're going to come back year after year after year and just get bigger and bigger and bigger with each year. And so that's just going to add just a beautiful row of flowers here in front of my chicken run, which I'm just going to love and enjoy. I grew up with peonies and I absolutely love them, so I'm excited to have them here on my homestead again. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel and supports me in a free way, and I'm very appreciative to everyone who subscribes, so thank you for that. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.